This is the one video you absolutely can't miss today. Did you know that with the right surveillance camera, you can capture crystal clear footage even in the harshest conditions? Whether it's in a factory, on a moving vehicle, or at a bustling transit hub? Introducing the ACTi Vibration-Proof Camera, a top-tier explosion-proof device that withstands impact, water, and weather while also delivering AI-powered detection. Best of all, it saves you 30% to 50% compared to Axis and other premium brands. Let's dive into why this camera is changing the game. First, let's talk about its exceptional IP68 rated humidity and dust protection. The ACTi Vibration-Proof Camera is built for extreme moisture, corrosion, and dust environments. Whether installed near chemical storage, on vehicle exteriors, or outdoor transit poles, it delivers consistent performance. This is critical for humid factory zones, high-vibration vehicles, or open-air stations. Next, consider its incredible 40x optical zoom. This feature allows security teams to monitor high-risk areas like conveyor belts, warehouse shelves, or wide-angle vehicle coverage zones, zooming in on crucial details from a distance, all while maintaining image clarity. Third, it boasts infrared visibility up to 250 meters. Even in total darkness, this camera sees it all, ideal for nighttime surveillance along factory perimeters, transit terminals, or depot backlots. Night shift guards can now rely on complete, uninterrupted visibility. Fourth, the built-in AI analytics make this camera truly smart. It detects, classifies, and tracks people and vehicles in real time. This reduces false alarms and improves situational awareness, perfect for rush hour checkpoints, traffic intersections, and dynamic patrol zones. Fifth, the camera complies with critical regulations like NDAA and TAKES. This makes it procurement-ready for government and high-security projects, easing compliance headaches and boosting project eligibility. Sixth, the camera is EN 50155 certified, meaning it's designed to operate reliably in railway and mobile transport environments. On trains, buses, and fleet vehicles, it holds steady through shocks and power fluctuations. Seventh, it features IK10 vandal resistance. When deployed in vulnerable areas such as transit stations, factory gates, or warehouse docks, this camera resists tampering and damage, ensuring uninterrupted monitoring. Eighth, its NEMA 4X certification guarantees corrosion resistance against salt, wind, and rain. It's perfect for industrial, coastal, or outdoor environments where durability is essential and maintenance is costly. It's already trusted by system integrators across factories, vehicles, and transportation hubs for its real-world reliability and seamless integration. This isn't just a camera, it's a smart solution that works flawlessly with VMS, access control, and real-time analytics platforms. Your entire physical security system just got smarter, ready to build a rock-solid security system without breaking the bank. Click the link below to learn more about the ACTi Vibration-Proof Camera, its real-world case studies, and advanced technical details. Say goodbye to overpriced brands. ACTi delivers the best specs and unbeatable value, empowering your security with confidence.